Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you Frank's telephone from Illinois, and these telephones look like a 2500 set, but actually what they are is a 2514. And so this is the initial checkout, and basically what Frank wants is someone has installed a set of clips on the telephone, and he wants them removed. He just wants to be able to plug this into the telephone line with a modular port that's in the back, and we're going to show you that in a minute because that's broke, and we're going to repair that. But also this telephone does not dial out. He's not able to dial out with his telephone, so we're going to look into that issue also. This is the headset that goes with these 2514s. So you have this dual plug in the back, and then you have your receiver and your transmitter like the operators used to use in the old days. So basically this is a very cool setup, these 2514s. We're going to move that out of the way. We're also going to be getting rid of this cord that he doesn't want on there. And I have this telephone apart, the body off of it, so we'll take it off. It's loose. For the handset, you would have the switch in this position going about, say, 10 o'clock, and then you would turn it to about 2:30, and you would have your headset, and you would have to hang up the handset to get anything on the headset. So we're going to go ahead and put that back over for the handset, and we're going to take the body off of this telephone. Now in the back, and we're going to show you the telephone, it has your 3 holes in it, one for your modular plug and then 2 holes for your plug for your headphones. So we're just going to set this back here, and I'll give you a look at what goes on. These are pretty full of different switches and things because of the headset situation. So you can see all the little leaf connectors. They're contacts that make this telephone work going from headset to handset. And then I'll show you the back of it. Here's our plugs for our headset, and then of course our modular port, line port, is that's broken, so we need to replace that. They snuck a little bell inside here, and then it has a off and on. And then we want to remove this cable that was installed for plugging up to the tip and ring. So that gives you kind of a look at this telephone. And then on the back here we've got 2514, and it's a Western Electric. So basically this telephone needs to be gone through. We're going to troubleshoot it. We're going to find out why it doesn't dial out, and we're going to remove the cord. We're going to modular plug on there for the line, and we'll get him squared away on this. So we're going to take a short break from the video, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we've been working on this telephone. We're going to kind of go through a little bit about what went on. We've got our bridge installed, and everything's been taken care of for the network, for the bridge. And we were checking out our keypad. We want to make sure that's good. And we replaced the modular line port. That was bad. We knew that was bad. And then we also replaced the modular port for the handset cord. On closer inspection, we found that to be all cracked up, and so we've replaced that. So both of those have been replaced. Our bridge is installed. We're ready to put the telephone back together again. We went through our switch, cleaned the points on that. We've been through our keypad, and we've also been through all of our connections and made sure everything was proper. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and put the telephone back together again, and then we're going to do some of our final checks. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are ready to do our final checks. So what we want to do, since we've replaced our modular line port, we want to go ahead and plug in our line cord to that. And then we also want to go ahead and plug our headset jack in. And then we'll go ahead and turn our telephone around. And so now what we can do is we can ring the telephone. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll go ahead and answer the telephone. Give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers if you watch the analyzer. I'm going to end in a 2. Then I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch this red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light, that is an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is dialing out. It has receive, transmit at the handset, and that it's ringing. So now what we can do is we can ring the telephone. And since we have the headset plugged in, we can go ahead and answer it by this switch here by turning it to the right. We'll go ahead and answer the telephone on a ring. Give you some dial tone with our headset. These are very cool headsets. We want to go ahead and dial our numbers again. I'm going to end in a 2. And now I want to transmit into our headset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like earlier, every time you see that red light, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hello, hello. So we know our headset's working. We can go ahead and turn it off, and we'll turn it back on. Give you some dial tone. We'll go ahead and set it down. We'll turn it off. I have a switch box here, and when I push this button, it totally takes the analyzer away and gives us a line out. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and turn the telephone on. Use the headset. I'll give you some dial tone. We'll call a time and temp number.
Good morning. When you need body work, we're a short drive away. Offenburg Body Center, 234-0330. Today is Saturday, March 30th. The time is 1:32. Current temperature 50 degrees. Now the Belleville area weather forecast. Partly cloudy tonight, lows in the upper 30s. Saturday becoming mostly cloudy, a high around 60.
Okay. We can turn the headset off. Turn it back on, give you some dial tone. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. We'll go ahead and set the headset to the side. So now that we know that this telephone has been repaired and is fully functional, we can return it to Frank and he can start enjoying his telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.